Have you ever created a Gmail address years ago and later wished you could change it? Until now, that wasn't possible. If you wanted a new Gmail username, you had to create an entirely new Google account. But that's changing. Google has started rolling out a new feature that allows eligible users to change their Gmail username while keeping the same Google account. That means your Google Drive, Photos, YouTube, Contacts, and other Google services stay connected to your account. Here's how to check if the feature is available for you. First, open your Google account settings by visiting myaccount.google.com or open your phone's settings and tap on your Google account. Next, go to Personal Info. Scroll down and tap Email. Then select Google Account Email. If your account supports the new feature, you'll see an option to change your Gmail username. Enter your new preferred username. Google will check whether it's available. If the username is already taken, you'll need to choose another one. Once you find an available username, review the information carefully and confirm the change. That's it. Your Gmail username will be updated while your Google account, files, photos, and other data remain the same. Before you change it, keep these important points in mind. Your new username must be available. Not every Google account has received this feature yet, as Google is rolling it out gradually. If you don't see the option today, check again later. Also, after changing your Gmail username, remember to update your email address anywhere you use it, such as banking apps, social media accounts, shopping websites, and work accounts. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest Google tips, updates, and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.